everyone, today we're going to make hot chocolate balls featuring Among Us. These are little chocolate balls filled with hot cocoa mix and marshmallows, and the marshmallows we're going to make are shaped like Among Us characters. Are you ready? Then let's get started. For this project, we're going to make specialized Among Us marshmallows that look like the little Among Us characters. Now, the first time I tried this, the marshmallows didn't come out. In fact, if you don't work really fast with marshmallows, it's really hard to pipe them onto the cookie sheet to make them look like anything. And that's because the marshmallow tends to harden very fast. So, I had to do this a second time, and the second time I did this, it actually turned out good. So let's start with that. First, we're going to start by putting gelatin into a bowl. I'm using 3 packets here, and a ½ cup of water. We're going to let that sit and gel while we work on the stove with the other ingredients. I poured in 1½ cups of sugar, a ½ cup of water, and 1 cup of light corn syrup. Then I just sat it on the stove and waited for it to boil. Now, technically you're supposed to use a candy thermometer, but I just waited around 8 minutes and it turned out great. Our gelatin at this stage is really thick and chunky. We're going to add that to our boiling sugar mixture, and then we're going to blend. The first time I did this, I blended for 12 minutes on a very high speed. That was a huge mistake because as I was blending, the marshmallow was getting tougher and tougher, and that's great if you just want to make marshmallows quickly and you're going to put them in a pan and cut them up, but I was going to pipe them. So this time I only blended it for about 5-6 minutes. It was still pretty runny, and that's exactly what you want because it'll start setting as you work with it, and I needed that extra time to make the Among Us character shapes. I put a piece of parchment paper on top of a cookie sheet, and then I added some cornstarch. I mixed in red food coloring with some of the marshmallow mix and put it in a piping bag. Then I just started piping the characters, and I wasn't very good at it at first. This actually takes a lot of skill and practice, and this is my second time doing it, so this is about as good as it's going to get at this point. Marshmallow is incredibly hard to work with. It's very liquidy, it hardens up very quickly. It's not easy, and my hat is off to all the fine people who can actually make cool things using marshmallows. I tried adding feet, and as you see, it didn't work out. It didn't help that the marshmallow was already getting harder to work with at this point, so I kind of decided maybe trying to add feet wasn't the best idea. So I went on to just trying to make a very simple Among Us figure. Next, I piped on a little bit of white, and the marshmallow was getting really tough to work with by this point. So I did the best I could. I decided to make Among Us characters using fondant. I thought it'd be fun to have 4 different characters, red, yellow, green, and blue, and just surrounding the outside of the cocoa ball. I put some fondant in a bag, and then I added food coloring to make the colors. Fondant is a lot easier to work with. It's actually kind of fun to work with, and so it wasn't hard to make the different shapes. Now, why didn't I just use fondant instead of marshmallows? Why did I bother making marshmallows? Because fondant doesn't float. It will sink to the bottom of the cup. So it's kind of worth it to make marshmallows so that when you put your cocoa ball inside of your cup for hot chocolate, you actually see little Among Us characters floating at the top. To make the outside of the chocolate ball, I melted some chocolate candy melts. Then I spooned it into the silicone chocolate ball mold. This is also the first time I'm doing this, so, it turned out pretty good for the first try. After the first layer had set, I added another layer just to make sure the walls of the chocolate were really strong. Then I popped them out of the mold. I added hot cocoa mix And our little Marshmallow Among Us characters, they're covered in cornstarch right now, but they hopefully will look cool when they're in the cup. And then I melted more chocolate and sealed 2 halves together. After the chocolate was set, I used more chocolate to glue on the little characters. I poured some boiling water into a cup, and then I put the chocolate ball inside. And there are the Among Us characters. And as you can see, there was a lot of chocolate in this. Like, it's pretty chunky. They don't actually tell you this in all the videos I've seen, how gross and chunky the chocolate is at the bottom, and also that fondant doesn't float like marshmallows. That's all for now, guys. Let me know what you think in the comments down below, and I'll see you next time.